good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis Hair, and I am back again with another wig install. So today the hair feature is from Megalook Hair. I have a 22-inch highlight balayage wig, and basically this is her. She's giving. I am installing today's wig with a new lace adhesive. I just definitely took out a pin curl, so I'm having a little dent right here, but as you can see, it got the job done. It is the EBIN Wonder Lace wig adhesive instead of the spray. I did end up using the spray during the tutorial as well, but if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, how I installed, styled the hair and everything else, stay tuned and keep watching. But before we get into the actual video, the wig only took 3 to 5 business days to get here, and it also came with a couple goodies. Alright, so we hopping straight into the install. I got my little braids. I'm gonna use my guide to be just to slick back my edges a little bit, but I'm gonna show y'all the inside construction of the wig, and then come back and we gonna hop right into the install. I got this little tester of the EBN Wonder Lace Bond. This is the lace wig adhesive though. This is the actual glue, and this is the Supreme one, so we're gonna try this one. I'm interested to see how this is gonna work. I don't really like lace glue. I told y'all that many times before, but like I said, we're gonna try it. We're gonna see. So this is what the wig looks like on my wig stand. On the inside, we have a strap that is going to make this wig very easy to be made glueless. We have our adjustable straps in the back. You see one's undone right here, but the adjustable straps. We have 2 combs on each end of the frontal, and then we have our comb in the back. And then there's also a comb in the back of the frontal. I normally don't use those, but to each his own. I may not really have to cut anything off, maybe like a little 1/2 inch. So we are good to go on the lace. And I'm basically going to follow the directions that's on lace glue. Let me move my mirror up so I can see. And the directions basically say apply a thin layer around hairline, wait until it turns completely clear and tacky, and then place the wig on the hairline. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut my slits into my lace. We're gonna roll it back, and we're just gonna go for it. I'm pretty nervous. Now, I don't know what to smear it with, so I'm just gonna use my comb. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Alright, so it's actually turning clear pretty fast, and it's kind of tacky. I'm scared though. I don't know why I'm so scared, but I'm just going to peel everything down into place. Comb to kind of like push the lace into the glue. Kind of this, well, basically, yeah, the same method that we were doing with all the other lace adhesives, except this one's a glue. There's that. So I'm gonna take this wig band and just tie it around for a couple of minutes, and we'll see what it's talking about. I'm really nervous, but I heard this stuff is the truth, but for some reason I just never have luck with lace glues. Now, I feel like while this is on here, I low-key just want to curl the hair to get it off the way. Then again, I'm like, I don't feel like it. But we are waiting, so I'm just gonna start at least curling the back. So the hair itself is very, very pretty. I actually washed it after I bleached the knots and let it air dry itself. And it air dried basically pretty straight with a little bit of curl at the end. But it's still like very super silky, so that's what really caught my attention, if we're being quite honest. This is some pretty and silky hair. All right. Taking it off. It looks pretty laid. I'm gonna just cut the lace. I'm gonna just do it. So, not bad. I'm gonna go back with the glue again. I'm gonna put some on the comb. Then I'm gonna take my Wonder Lace spray. Actually, I'm gonna spray it on my finger. I'm gonna dab it on my finger, spray it on my finger, and dab it on the lace. Tie it down, and we're gonna leave that for a little bit, and I'm gonna just go back to curling. All right, so the hair is curled just randomly, just so that I can kind of kill a little bit of time. So we're gonna take the band off. This joint is melted. That joint's crazy. I'm a fan. Do y'all see this, y'all? That's crazy. So the hair is already semi-curled. I just want to show y'all what the lace is actually looking like. It's doing something. I'm gonna have a little bang in the front, and I'm gonna take my Gatsby and just spray it in there. I don't really care if the part is straight, so. Just gonna have a little side bang action. Same thing for the other side. Now that we have that finished, I'm just gonna go in and take each side, basically each side, and then a little bit from the top section, and we're gonna put it into a pony. Now I'm going to take the bang out. Now you can leave the ponytail if you want to, or if you want to add a little pizzazz as your claw clip. I think it ended up pretty cute. And just like that, that's a wrap. The hair is 22 inches, so it basically touches my butt when I stand up. Overall, I'm a fan. I took the clip out, so my ponytail is a little bit loose, but it's up to you how you want to style it. But I actually am a fan of this look. So let me know what y'all think about it. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.